Today's Kirundi word of the day is Witwa. Witwa. The meaning of Witwa is what is your name? Witwa. What is your name? The pronunciation can be said as Witwa. Witwa. Repeat after me. Witwa. The interesting thing about this word is that it's not a word. It is actually a sentence. So when you say Witwa, you're actually asking a question, which makes it a sentence. Witwa. What is your name? Here's a usage tip for this sentence. It is often used when meeting someone new. And a fun fact about this sentence is that it's a very common opening question. So when you meet someone new, you can use it to ask for their name. Go ahead and comment Witwa if you got it. And if you haven't, please refer back to the pronunciation section of this video and practice again. Yesterday's word was Oya. Click this video to learn what Oya means and how to pronounce it correctly. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back tomorrow for another word.